We are about to see a cooling pad Meteoroid from the brand Cosmic Byte. Meteoroid from Cosmic Byte is a 6-fan cooling pad and can hold up to 17-inch laptops. There are a few brandings on all the sides of the package. In the back of the package, there is a brief description of the features, technical specifications, warranty, and pricing details. Let's open the box and see what is inside. The cooling pad is kept inside a nice bubble pouch. There are only 3 items inside: the cooling pad, USB to USB cable, and user manual. The user manual is very small, probably in size of like A5. In terms of design aesthetics, the cooling pad looks so neat and tidy. The hexagonal shape gives a good feel. On the center of the cooling pad, there is a big bright branding of the Cosmic Byte. We can also see a smaller branding on the right of the cooling pad. At the back, there are 2 USB ports and 2 tuning buttons to turn off the fans diagonally or to turn off the alternative fans. Below the cooling pad, there are so many vents to suck more air from the surroundings. There are 2 adjustable legs for the cooling pad so that the cooling pad can be adjusted to many different angles. Now, let's see the USB cable that comes with the Cosmic Byte Meteoroid Cooling Pad. The quality of the cable is awesome. Seriously, a very good quality cable. Also to mention, the cable is nylon braided. The length of the cable is also pretty decent, around 1 meter or more. To place the laptop on top of the cooling pad, we first need to pull the knobs out. These knobs will help in preventing the laptop from falling. We can power on the cooling pad by connecting the USB cable to one of the USB ports at the back of the cooling pad. There are about 6 fans in this Cosmic Byte Meteoroid cooling pad. The 2 tuning buttons on the back help us to turn on and turn off any of the 3 alternative fans. The blue light is very mild and is in a very required way. Not too much brightness and also no dullness either. Just to a required level, so that these lights won't be irritating our eyes while on a productivity work or even during watching movies. One awesome thing about this cooling pad: even though there are 6 fans running simultaneously, there is 0 to very minimal noise coming from the cooling pad. This is super silent and performance is amazing and super impressive. Even in a laptop, we can't expect this level of silent work. Build quality is so decent. Yes, this is a plastic material, but the quality is decent. To talk about the technical details of the fan, the fans are approximately 60 mm into 60 mm in terms of height and width, 15 mm in terms of thickness. The fans are able to rotate at a speed of approximately 7200 rpm. About value for money, yes, this cooling pad is seriously worth what you have spent. Also to mention, there are 2 variants. One is just plain blue and the other is RGB variant. If you are a productivity kind of person, go with the non-RGB variant so that the RGB lights won't be disturbing you at the time of productive works.